Today, I'll show you how to alias Protonmail so you can create extra email addresses that still land in the inbox you already use. Email aliases are great for separating newsletters, online shopping, or work-related messages without having to manage completely separate accounts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set one up, what each field means, and how to put your new alias to use. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're using your main Protonmail account here, because this is the inbox where you'll eventually receive emails that are sent to your alias. Once you're logged in, you should see your regular inbox view. Now, look toward the right side of the screen for the security center. Depending on the version of Proton's interface you're using, this might appear as an item in a right-hand sidebar or under a settings or account area labeled security or security center. Go ahead and click on security center. This is where Proton groups together tools that help you protect and manage your account, including features related to email aliases. Inside the security center, find the option that says create an alias and click it. This is the starting point for adding a new alternate email address that still connects back to your main Protonmail account. You're not creating a brand new mailbox here. You're simply adding another address that forwards into the mailbox you already have. You'll now see a form where you can set up the details of your alias. Start with the title field. The title is just a label for you inside Protonmail. It's not visible to people who email you. Think of it as a nickname or description that helps you remember why you created the alias. For example, you might use titles like online shopping, newsletters, or work projects. Choose something clear and specific so that later on you can quickly see what each alias is for. Next, enter your alias. This is the actual email address that other people or services will use to contact you. It usually looks like a variation of your main address, often with a plus sign, dots, or a different word added. Proton will guide you on what formats are allowed. Take a moment to choose something that makes sense for the purpose of the alias, but avoid including any sensitive personal details in the address itself. After that, you'll see a field to enter the address you want to forward to. This is the destination inbox where messages sent to your alias will arrive. In most cases, you'll use your main Protonmail address here. That way, everything is centralized, but you can still filter or label messages based on which alias they were sent to. Double check that you've typed this correctly. A small typo could send messages to the wrong place or cause them to bounce. You may also see a field to enter a note. This is an internal reminder for yourself about why you created the alias or how you plan to use it. Notes can be very helpful if you end up with several aliases over time. For example, you might write used for newsletter signups only or shared with client for project X. Keep it short but descriptive enough that it will still make sense months from now. Once you've filled in the title, chosen your alias, set the forward to address, and added an optional note, you're ready to finalize everything. Click create and copy alias. Protonmail will create the alias and automatically copy that new alias address to your clipboard. From here, you can immediately paste it into any sign-up form, contact list, or account profile where you want to use it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Protonmail alias, and you're ready to start using it to organize and protect your inbox more effectively.